clean a vanity area. So what I do is I just give a quick spray with the Thieves, which is this one here. So just a couple of drops is all you need, and then I'll make it into a paste by putting a bit of bicarb on it, and then a couple of drops of the Thieves dish soap, just a little bit like that, and that'll be pretty good. And then just give it like a bit of a wipe. You make it into a paste, and then after you've finished, it'll look great, and I'll show you the finished results. Bye. So that one I just showed you with making the paste is for really stubborn areas to clean. An easier way to clean, a more inexpensive way, is using the Thieves Household Cleaner. And I've actually diluted this bottle with 1.5 caps, and I spray the area. So I spray the area where I want to clean. I get a damp cloth and I wipe the area down. And then you just get a dry cloth and you dry it. And this is a really inexpensive way. It ends up being about $1.50, has no nasties, and you can use this to clean kitchens, toilets, bathrooms, glass, virtually any surface in your home.